Hold on.
Okay.
So, we are going to make a volcano, right?
Yeah.
So, you do 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Lily, let me see yours. 1 tablespoon of ketchup.
Mine is going in.
Good job. Okay, that's good. Just you want to get as much as you can in there.
Yeah.
All right. Now, let's see. Now we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of baking soda.
Baking soda?
Baking soda is our base for this experiment.
Mom, that's a bunch. Can I do it?
Put that in there. More.
So all of it?
1 tablespoon of baking soda.
Mommy, this is really sweet. I wanted to do this all day.
So listen, the baking soda is our base for this experiment.
Now we're gonna pour this into here.
Well, remember we still have.
No, we still have one more, and we have to do a baking soda of soap.
There you
Mom,
go.
can I do?
We do a little squirt of soap. Okay. Go ahead and do a little squirt. Not all of it. Use a little bit in that. Little squirt on the bottom. There you go. Now let Emily do the rest. Little squirt. There you go. All right. So that was some Dawn soap, right?
Yeah. Now we're
Now-
gonna pour this into here.
Now we need 1/4
Of vinegar.
of vinegar. Now what is vinegar?
Vinegar is our base of this.
No, the baking soda is the base. So the vinegar is going to be our acid.
Our
Okay.
acid.
Vinegar is the acid part of this experiment. Okay.
All
All right. So you pour all that in there, and then Lele, let's watch. Here, let's see.
Not enough.
It's coming. It's coming.
Mommy, stop! Stop! It's coming.
Hold on. Oh my goodness. It's a slow